Welcome to the MEDomicsLab installation guide for Mac. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download and install the MEDomicsLab application on your Mac computer. To begin, head to the Releases page on our GitHub repository. Once there, select a release and download the .package file found in the Assets section. Keep in mind, this download might take a little while. When the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and open the file. You may see a security warning pop up on your screen. If that happens, simply click Done to close the warning. Then go to your system settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, and in the Security section, you should see an option to open the file anyway. Click Open Anyway for your downloaded file to proceed. This will bring up the installation window. From here, all you need to do is click Continue at each step of the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message confirming that it was successful. You can now close the installer window. Now, go ahead and find MEDomicsLab in your Applications folder and open it. When you launch the application, you should see a message on the bottom right of your screen confirming that the Go server is ready. If you don't see this message, please reach out to us for support so we can help you troubleshoot. Once the server is ready, you'll be prompted to set up your Workspace folder. After that, you're all set to start importing your data and exploring the app. One last tip. If you want to check the status of all services within the app, you can click on the settings icon located at the bottom left. This section will display the current status of the server, the database, and other essential services. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for choosing MEDomicsLab, and happy exploring!